Dima's in the backseat of the car.
I'm gonna fucking die.
He's gonna die. It's gone.
Don't even take me to a cemetery.
We have to get a police officer to get it off. Get this shit off. Get the handcuffs off. Yeah, you.
Figure something out. My wrist is swelling.
Look at how small this is.
There's no way it's not good. I'm not in this area. I need to get this.
Can you just shoot it off him?
I wish.
Police officers couldn't do it, so now it's us. Guys, Dima is throwing up from the side of my car. He looks really cool though. If the fire department can't help us, then I don't think anyone can. Ring for service. This is stupid.
Oh, I feel something.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You made me fail.
Thank you guys so much. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was a fucking ordeal.
Holy shit. Dima, what's one lesson you learned from all of this?
LA's got a decent cock.
Okay.
Shots fired.